Valorant Error Code VAN68 typically indicates a connectivity issue between your computer and the Riot Games servers. This error often arises due to network-related problems or misconfigurations. Here are the common solutions for this error. First, press Alt-Control-Delete. Click on Task Manager. End all the Riot Games processes like Valorant and League of Legends. Now close the Task Manager. Open Start and type Run. Open Run. Type services.msc. Locate the VGC service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup Type, select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Start the service. Close the Task Manager.